Hello everyone, and welcome to Ray Darnell Dining In. I'm Ray Darnell. My series focuses on the preparation of sophisticated, yet relatively easy to prepare dishes that you can use for your family, or you can combine them together to form a dinner party plan. In the extras chapter at the end of this video, as in all others, you'll find a list of ingredients and also a list of suggestions for other dishes in the series that you can combine with this one. So, what do I have for you today? Well, let's just see, shall we? Okay. I'm going to show you how to cook spinach in browned butter. A very simple, straightforward accompaniment to many a dish. Basically, it's 2 pounds of these baby spinach leaves for 8 people, and for 8 people 6 tablespoons of butter. The first step in making the spinach is to place 4 cups of cold water into a large pan like this and bring it to the boil over high heat. Once the water boils, take your spinach and begin to add it to the pan. Press down on each batch, pushing it into the water until it reduces a little bit, and then proceed to the next pound of spinach. And indeed, the 2 pounds of spinach does go in. We're just going to let that boil for about another 2 to 3 minutes. And after an additional 2 minutes, just lower the heat and remove the spinach from the heat and drain it. While the spinach is draining, melt the 6 tablespoons of butter in a saute pan over medium heat. And once the butter is melted, we need to wait until this foaming action has stopped. And what you'll see is the butter beginning to brown ever so slightly. Now, this is the condition that we actually want for this dish. Now, when you get to this light golden brown color, turn off the heat. Take the spinach and return it to the pan. Just work the spinach around in the pan to coat it in the butter. Now take some pepper and a little salt. Work that around also. And then turn this out into a warmed serving dish and take it to the table. Of course you can do that. However, you could make it earlier in the day, place it in the dish, and then re-warm it later. If you want, you can now pause to make a screenshot of an ingredients list. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that and you find it very useful. If you did, please press the subscribe button. If you want notifications, of course, of new videos that I'm posting, please press the notifications button also. I hope to see you next time.